What is up, guys? Playing some PUBG. I've been playing this for a while, and I really like it. I like to just drop straight down, pick a place. If I see anybody, like, yeah, there's a guy right there. Nah, I think I'll pick this house. I don't see anybody coming near it. Oh, cool, vest. I hear people. And I ain't got nothing. There's a gun. Alright, this DP gun right here is like literally the worst gun in the game, but it's okay. Let's see what I can do with it. There's supposed to be stairs here. Why is there not stairs here? Awesome. Yeah. Here, just give it a second. Yep, there they are. Yep, See, I wish I got the chance to play on PC, but I'm playing on my Xbox right now. I mean, granted, I know the game's unfinished, so it's alright. Oh, all I have is this crappy gun. I can make it work. So I'm thinking, since I'm really close to the water, I'm gonna try, and hopefully no one hurt me, I'm gonna try and get to a boat. Because boats are fun. Oh, backpack, yes. Backpack level 3? The fuck? I never get those. No, my luck, I probably won't find anything that actually takes storage up. Let me see what I got. Yeah. A lot of shooting around me. Let's see. No, I don't see anybody. So perfect. The circle's around us. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get for a boat. I say motorcycle. See if I see anybody. Yep. I'll probably just get headshotted first off on this motorcycle. Here we go. If you look on top of my head, I always have this random ass beard. Oh, never mind. It goes away. There's a boat right here. Let's just fucking drive right in. That won't cause any attention. Alright. Let's get in. Let's go. Alright, red zone. Ah, we're fine. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, I'm homebound. Alright. There's the beard again. It always floats above my head whenever I'm inside a vehicle. I don't know why. I don't even have a beard for my character. But, no. It's probably just gonna be a really slow-paced driving around in a boat game. Which isn't bad. I won't die super fast. There's some exploding. Yeah. I don't know. I like driving in boats with people. Driving by yourself is kind of lame, because then you gotta like switch the seats to shoot. And plus, have you guys ever thought about? I mean, these boats have 5 seats. Squads are 4 people big. How does that even work? You're gonna get like an enemy person in the back seat? No. It should only be 4, but it's kind of cool that they had 5.